Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Mazda CX-3 headlight assembly. First, let's prepare. You will need a socket set, screwdrivers, and possibly a panel popper tool. Safety is paramount, so ensure your car is off and the keys are out of the ignition. Also, consider placing masking tape along the bumper and fender edges to protect your paintwork from accidental scrapes. To access the headlight, you'll need to partially remove the front bumper. Begin by getting underneath the vehicle and removing all 10mm bolts securing the bumper cover. Next, move to each front wheel well, detaching any screws or clips. Finally, gently pull the bumper ends away from the fender, releasing them from their retaining grommets and sliders. With the bumper partially detached, you can now access the headlight unit itself. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector located at the back of the headlight assembly. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Then, locate and remove the 10mm bolts that secure the headlight housing to the vehicle's frame. There are typically a few of these bolts. Once all bolts and connectors are free, you can gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting. Be careful not to force it. When installing a new unit or bulb, remember to wear gloves and avoid touching the bulb's glass. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification and electrical connections are firmly in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.